Hello! Hi guys, kasali nga pala ng pinsan ko. Kami mga magpipinsan lang. Ayan o, sila Rina. Ayan, nasa harapan ko. Wala mga chismosang invited. Tapos eto, ayan, family sa side ng pinsan ko. Ayan, mga pamangkin. Lalaki na. Ito lang yung hindi lumaki. Dito na yung wedding ceremony. Dito na rin yung reception. Dito na rin lahat. So, inaantay namin nga yung bride. Saka naman nakakita na na pa yung bride. Ganito lang kasimple. Very solemn lang talaga yung atake ng wedding. Ay, tignan nyo. Nandito na yung mga pamangkin kong opa. Ang gwapo, no? Ay, hindi yan. Pinsan ko yan. Lalapit yan, oh. Tay, tignan mo, te. Dali ka mukha mo. Oh, di ba? Japanese yarn.
Baby na yung nanay. Nakikita ko yung sarili ko eh.
Amen. Say amen.
Amen.
Wait lang guys, magpipiling lang ako. Eto, videohan natin to para maramdaman nyo naman nakasalto at hindi usapin ng mga hatian ng lupa.
Idol. Baka naman.
Nandito ba naman? Nasa labas na ba? Oh.
Lakas mo. Hindi ka mag-close shoot na natin Marites. Sige, nasa close shoot. Sabi na nakipag-shake na siya.
Yung tayo pa rin. Yung kulit na ito.
Uy, may tago ba lima?
Idol pa, shout out! Like, oh my yes! Hello! Oh my God, may special guest! May special guest! Baka kami na-inform yung special guest ko pala yan. Ina, picture kami! Picture kami! Di mo naman kami na-inform. Grabe pala yung wedding mo. Eto na, start na ng wedding.
Let's welcome our entourage. We have our best man, Mr. Fernando Bitan. Mr. Yoshi Usui. Now we have our flower girl, Mr. Rita Usui. Mr. Ichiro with Shimichi Usui. Welcome our lovely bride.
Hey, kala ko siya na. Ayan na.
Once again, the most beautiful bride,
Okay, first, his wife, Asila. Yoshi, do you love your wife?
Yes, I do.
How much? How much in percent?
150.
Ano sa kado sobra? Yoshi, as the head of your family, search the pages of this book. Often for their spiritual guidance, you will need to make wise decision for your family. Amen? And to more of you,
Dearest Chet, I remember the very first day we met. You were brilliant and I felt something special. you like no other. It didn't take time to fall with you. And our love became stronger and stronger day by day. And then God gave us 3 beautiful children. They are really our treasure. I'm looking forward to see our grandchildren and play with them someday. We have been living together for almost 50 years, and I think I must be the most happiest man in the world, surrounded by photographs. Okay. I swear that my true love for you will last forever. And I wish our journey will continue with full of faith like ever. Thank you for coming into my life, and I love you from the bottom of my heart. August 17, 2025, Yoshi.
Honey, I want to start this letter by saying I love you so much. We finally made things right in front of God. I am here to love you in quiet moments and story ones, not only when it's easy, but it's also when it comes not. I promise to stay even when the world feels heavy for us. I close and choose you, not just today, but also forever. I love you.
Do you, Yoshi, take Ted to be your wedded wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you, Ted, take Yoshi to be your wedded husband?
Yes, I do.
Salamat natin siya.
Wait, this spring.
Yoshi, with this ring,
And then call on the veil, purity, and the covenant of marriage. It also represents the spiritual union between Christ and the church, with the removal of the veil signifying the access believers is over the head of the a wedding cord often used in Filipino wedding symbolizes the unity and lifelong commitment between a now united. Yoshi, you may now kiss the bride. In 5, 4, oh, 3, 2, 1. Mr. and Mrs. Yoshi and Ted Usui. Congratulations. Ganun talaga. Walang ban, walang budget.
Ikaw lahat?
let me down. You turn my life around. Through the years, when everything went wrong. Alright, and 3, 2, 1. Wow! Yan si Bright naman. Yan. Yan, kasama daw yung The Revenge of the Bride. Alright, at kinaya. Ayan. Once again, congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Asui. Your biggest smile. Cafe delicious food. Once again, you may not proceed to our video. Once you have done with our pod, picturean pala. Wait lang po.
One, two, three, cheers! 1, 2, 3.
buksan. Excited.